Do you want to make these fake zooms like me?
Sci Guy.
Let me show you how I make these zooms in just few simple steps. First, get your clips ready and make sure the second clip looks similar to the first one. Now add blur mode curves and follow me. Go 10 frames forward from the first keyframe. Put these keyframes at the end of the clip and align the clip according to the second clip. You can see it's already looking so good. Now for the second zoom in, just copy these keyframes and paste them again. I made a simple transition here, because why not? Now just add your shakes, and it's all done. Let me know in the comments if you want my shakes tutorial. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.